morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing out there today? We're gonna go and sit down with the dog who's now leaving me. Love you too. Bye. Well, look who has come back to join me. You spoiled brat. But anyways, guys, we have an exciting day planned for today. We're gonna be changing up the rear end of the truck. This is long overdue. I know, I've seen all the comments. We're gonna be changing up the rear end, and we're also gonna be revealing what is that third and final prize on the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So without further ado, wifey and baby are going on a longboard ride, I guess. So have fun. I'm gonna be here cleaning up the truck because it has rained several times in the last few weeks. We have dead bugs all over my front grill. Truck's coming out and it's time for a wash. Whoop, forgot one thing. In our last video, we installed a Borla racing muffler on the Silverado. It sounds completely epic. I'm totally in love with it. If you want to check out that video, right there's a link. But without further ado, here's a nice cold start with the Borla XR1 racing muffler. Let's do it. Nice and clean now. Are you ready? What do you think of the new exhaust? Not bad, huh? Not bad? I'm a child. So Freon is now a protected item. That's hilarious. Quick drill. Go, 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 go. All right, we are finally back at home. That was an absolute nightmare. We've added some new tools to his collection. Let's go take a look. You wanna look at your tools? He got himself a nice new rake, got himself a wagon, and then miscellaneous castle building things. He's stoked about it. It is finally time to get to working on the Silverado. We are modifying the rear end and everything. Got something to say? Well, before I was rudely interrupted by that little guy, everything's gonna come seamlessly together. That rear end's gonna match the rest of the truck. It's gonna look epic. Let's get to doing it. Alright guys, a few months ago we replaced the stock headlamps on the Silverado with these aftermarket Spider headlamps. Have a daytime running light, projector headlight, really looks just phenomenal and goes along with the rest of the theme of the truck. The fender lines, the whole shape of the body, it just works. But one thing that doesn't work and needs to go is the rear tail lights. This is just absolutely ugly. There's so much red, and ever since I replaced the front headlights, I've been being pestered with comments, hey, when are you doing the tail lights? Well, without further ado, going on the Lone Star Hawaiian Silverado starting today. I'm truly so excited for these. This is really long overdue. So what we have, the aftermarket tail lights, we have a daytime running light with built-in LEDs, and obviously our reverse light, and then legally you need the reflector from the rear and on the side from the rear quarter. So these are completely legal. These will obviously light up red when they're on, but here's our aftermarket taillights. I'm so excited to see what these things look like on the truck. And just to make today even more exciting, we got a company out of California called LASFIT. LASFIT's gonna help me out by not leaving our third best friend up top, staying halogen when everybody else goes LED. Those gotta go, and they've provided me with a little care package to help out in that regard. So here we have LASFIT. We got some LED lights. They go right in the stock housing, plug and play. Let's take a look at what they sent us. All right, so here we have two LED sets. We have a white LED set and then a red LED set. Now these are supposed to be plug and play. Again, I have not plugged these in yet. I have no idea how they look, if they even work. So this will be a completely honest first impression of these lights. So LASFIT out of Ontario, California. Thanks for your support, guys. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, check them out. All the information in the description below for LASFIT. Let's install the tail lights, install our new lights. I'm so stoked right now. Let's get this done. Those of you wondering, super simple to pull out these tail lights. There's literally 2 screws, and then the headlight pulls straight out this way. They have some push pins here, which kind of holds it in place, but that literally comes out in 10 seconds. These, super simple, twist counterclockwise, pull straight out, and then you're good to go. Alright, the new taillights are just a tiny bit more complicated than the stock ones because they are LED. Because they're LED, they require a lot less voltage to operate. So if you push that full circuit that you typically do through your halogens, through your LEDs, typically you'll get a really quick blinker and some other miscellaneous problems. So what actually has been done is there's a pre-installed resistor on this LED light. So basically what we're gonna have to do is wire into the stock wires to the resistor, resistors to the LED. I think we're also going to have to wire in the daytime running light. Not exactly sure, so let's go ahead and start plugging it in and see where we're at. All right, so literally scratch everything I just said because I was taking a closer look at the resistor and the cable, and I was wondering, why in the world is it this long? So in fact, this plugs straight into your stock wiring harness. So you're gonna wire it through your bumper, and in fact, you're gonna come all the way down here, and it plugs exactly into your stock location. And we're done. All you gotta do is wire it through the bumper. Jeez, I did not expect that. One more piece of information mounting these things up. The taillights come with the resistor. This is needed for the LED lights, but you need to mount this on the interior of your taillight housing. Now you can do it numerous different ways. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna slide this right in here. So there's 2 mounting points that comes with self-tapping screws. I'm just gonna screw in 2 of them and then utilize that adhesive backing that it has to kind of hold it in place the rest of the way. A lot of dirt, a lot of grime in here. The rear tires kick up kind of whatever it wants on the backside, so I would suggest screwing in. I wouldn't screw this way because that'll go into your bed. You can screw it this way because there's nothing on the inside of this taillight housing. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, one side complete. And my wife has come and joined me outside. So is the little man, and she wants a sneak peek to see what these look like now. And I'm gonna give you guys also a sneak peek. Not bad. Is there a difference between my stoke and her stoke? Because there's a huge difference. And it's sick. All right, guys, it's nighttime if you cannot see. Now, we ran into a bit of a hiccup with the tail lights, specifically the backup reverse lights. For some reason, the driver's side, when you would engage reverse, this would never light up. We figured out what it was. We had to reverse the polarities on this thing in order for it to come on. Finally figured that out, test lights, whatever later. But what's really cool, these are really old LED lights. I've had these on here for about 3 years. Super off-brand, bought them off Amazon a while back, and super cheap. But what's really cool is, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 LEDs on this single reverse light. 13 on this one, but if you take a look up there, I've actually plugged in the new LASFIT LED light, and I'm gonna show you guys how bright these things are. It's outrageous. So you have the reverse light. It's relatively bright. It does pretty good. But look at this. I'm just astounded how bright this is. This is outrageous. That's just ridiculous. This is just one of them. And if you compare the sizes of these things, I'm gonna turn on the lights again so you can see what I'm talking about. So if you compare this older LED reverse light, you can see it has a lot of LED bulbs. I'm not sure exactly what those are called, but there's 13 in total. So we were comparing this to the third brake light, cargo bed light from LASFIT, and look at that. That's all it is. There's 3 at the top, 3 and 3. So a total of 9 LED bulbs. They're smaller than this one. Look at that relative to size. This is newer, this is LASFIT, this is a lot higher quality. I'm actually really pleased with this. And then again, comparing the older one, this is twice as bright as all of these together. That's tremendous. So, way to go, LASFIT. We're gonna finish up bolting everything up. As you can see there again, that cargo light is still on. That is just so bright. I cannot believe that. And on top of that, we're gonna put in 2 LED third brake lights of the red color, so it's gonna be even brighter. So, way to go, LASFIT. I did not expect that quality or that brightness to come out of these, but dang, that's impressive. So let's finish bolting everything up. I'm gonna do a quick comparison to halogen versus LED at the top, and then let's take a look at that. All right, guys, so we got the cargo lamps all hooked up. We got a halogen versus the new LASFIT LED cargo lamp, and check this out. There may be a difference there. This is outrageously bright. But on top of this, what I want to show you guys, that's all it is. This is replacing the stock halogen bulb, which is nice. But what I really want to showcase, so take a quick look at the brightness of my reverse light versus up top. It's extremely hard to tell on camera, but that third brake light cargo lamp, that LED, is twice as bright as my reverse lights. I did not expect that. There's 13 LEDs versus 9 LEDs up there. That's twice as bright. I still can't believe it. So again, LASFIT, I need some reverse lights, because if that is that bright, I'm really curious to know what the reverse light brightness is. But anyways, let's pull out that other halogen bulb that is hideously ugly. We're gonna throw the 2 LED red lights up top, and we're gonna show you how that looks. So here we have the third brake light. We have the 2 white LEDs wired in for the cargo lamp, and then the 2 red LEDs wired in for the third brake light. Alright, well folks, if someone could not see me in the road before, they have no excuse ever again. Not bad. Man, that looks good. Well, this night's been a success. Let's get to a nice cinematic footage, which you're gonna see right now.
Everything I used to dream being real right now, now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no. Everything I used to dream being real right now.
Alright right, guys, it's late. It's been a long day, but look at the finished product. I could not be more stoked at this moment. The daytime running lamps on this rear tail light, the LEDs on it look phenomenal. And on top of that, the LASFIT LED cargo lamps, look how bright that is. I still cannot believe how freaking bright these LEDs are. Again, less LEDs than my reverse lights, but twice as bright. LASFIT, good product, pretty phenomenal, and I just cannot wait to be doing more business with you guys. Man, if someone could not see me when I'm braking before, there's absolutely no excuse now. So, it's extremely dark. Let's fast forward to morning time, and we will see you guys in just one moment. And just like that, we are back to daylight. Now let's take a look at these things in the daylight. That black backing with a white accent daytime running lamp just looks phenomenal. Ties in perfectly with the blacked out bow tie, the lines of the fenders, the shape of the body. It just works so much better than those ugly red tail lamps. All right, so that's enough talking about tail lamps for at least the next few years. Let's talk a little bit about the final prize for that 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And to be honest, we're actually already almost to 10,000. But at 10,000, we're giving away 3 things. 2 of the things were revealed in our last video. Actually, go check that out. Right there's the link. 2 to 3. Now the third and final prize is going to be, for the third and final prize is your own set of these LASFIT LED cargo lamps. These are the ultra white, extremely bright cargo lamps. You saw it in the video. They are ridiculously bright and extremely high quality, to be honest. I was really surprised with the quality of these. So one lucky winner of our subscribers is going to get their own set of these LASFIT LED cargo lamps. Now, how you go about entering to win, just rewind one video, all the details, all the rules are right there. Essentially, we're giving out 3 prizes when we hit 10,000 subscribers. 2 of those were revealed in the last video, and essentially our last and final prize, one lucky winner, is going to receive their own set of the LED cargo lamps from LASFIT. So we're now to that point in the video to where if you enjoyed this one, if you guys like these tail lamps, if you like that cargo lamp, go ahead and give this one a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. With the subscriber giveaway, again, 10,000 subscribers, we're to that first mild milestone. We're starting off small, we're gonna be working larger as the channel grows. But at the end of the day, take care, aloha, we'll see you next time.